Today I'm in the 4400 block of North Sheridan Road in a large 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. This is the living room. We're about a half of a block from the Wilson Yard Target and the Aldi. This is a very large living room. You can tell there was a decorative fireplace here at one time. They've updated the unit, and when they did, they put where you could put a TV on the wall there. Very nice. One of the things I like about this unit is you have all of your bedrooms sort of down on this wing in a sense. This is the first bedroom. Definitely put a queen size bed in here with no problem. It faces Sheridan. It's east, so it's really bright. Looking back, you've got sliding glass doors or sliding mirrored doors on your closet. Till the closet rods are doubled up, so you're going to be able to get a lot of clothes in there. Across from here we have the second bedroom. It's also very large, hold a queen size bed, several pieces of furniture as far as that goes. It faces the back of the building, so if you open the front window and the back window, you should get some cross ventilation. You're just a couple of blocks from the lake here, so it's going to make it a little nice, a little cooler. Same thing as the other one. You've got mirrored doors, sliding glass doors in your closet. The closets also have double rods in them, so you're going to be able to get a lot of stuff in here. And then from here, this one has a master suite. Let's say instead of a master bedroom, it's actually more of a suite. Here going into it, this is the door. And you're between the bedroom and the bathroom right now, and you've got an extra closet here. Again, the closet's rods are doubled up. You're going to get a lot of clothes in there. This would also hold a queen size bed with no problem. It's a really big room, a couple of pieces of furniture even. Looking back across, as in the other bedrooms, you've got sliding glass or sliding mirrored doors. You also have the closet rods doubled up, so you're going to get a lot of space. That's two closets that you have in here. And then here you're going into the bathroom that's in the master bedroom. Nice white tiles, modern vanity, updated lighting, very nice. Then back and back out, going through. This is the front door that we started right here. The front door is right here. That living room that we went into at first. See how big it is now again. Is right to our right. And then from there you go down the hallway to a very large formal dining room. You could do a couple of things with this dining room. If you're looking to have an extra second space as far as a den goes or anything like that, this would work, because once you get to the bathroom, I'll show you, you've got an extra space back there if you want to put a dining room table in. Then here's a second bathroom. Again, nice modern vanity, stone countertop. This one has sliding glass doors. They're just in one of the closets. I think they're just taking it off. It's empty. They're doing little repairs. Nice big shower back there. And then right here, this door itself is a linen closet. It's a really nice touch. This is the central heating unit. Got a little bit of storage in with it. And also this unit has central air conditioning on it. And going down the hallway towards the kitchen, you've got another really big closet here that's been doubled up. So this place just has a lot of closets in it. Kitchen is large, stainless steel appliances. Has a dishwasher. Sort of a corner kitchen, so you can see you've got a lot of cabinet space above here. Below it, you've got a dishwasher. Just a lot of cabinets. Good sized kitchen. Then behind here you have an extra room. I was telling you earlier, if you want to make that big formal dining room a living room or den or something different, you could. You've got this room back here that you could definitely put a 4 to 6 person table in. But if you're looking to have just a little quiet space in the back of the apartment, this would work. If you're looking to have an in-home office, it would work. You have the cable for the internet back here. Just in the back where it would be nice and quiet. I'll walk back up toward the front just to kind of give you another feel. There's just a lot of windows in this place also. There's not a building just right next door to us that's going to get good light. Cutting back through the dining room here. I've missed them, but most of the rooms have these nice ceiling fans in them. There's recessed lighting. In the front door on the left. This little suite where all the bedrooms are down here on the right. I think that's really nice. And then the living room again.